EagleRidge Roofing, Clearfield's trusted roofing experts. EagleRidge Roofing Services is proud to be the leading roofing contractor in Clearfield, Utah, offering comprehensive residential and commercial roofing solutions in the 84015 and 84016 zip code areas. Our experienced team is committed to delivering high-quality roof repairs, replacements, and installations using premium materials and the latest techniques. Whether it's a small roof repair or a complete roof replacement, we ensure customer satisfaction through thorough inspections and timely project completion. EagleRidge Roofing stands out for its dedication to providing durable, weather-resistant roofs tailored to your property's specific needs. Our team has built a trusted reputation across Clearfield and the surrounding communities, becoming the go-to choice for all your roofing needs. From residential homes to commercial buildings, EagleRidge provides services including new roof installations, storm damage assessments, gutter installations, and more. We specialize in various roofing materials, including asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and TPO systems. Choosing EagleRidge means choosing a reliable, professional team that cares about your roofing needs. Our track record of successful projects and happy clients speaks for itself. For premier roofing services in Clearfield, call EagleRidge today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to schedule a consultation. We look forward to securing your roof with quality and care.